So I got a question from Joseph Doyen. Says, "Hey Frugal, how do you like Linux?" Well, I like it just fine. I don't use it, to be honest with you, because I'm a small business guy, see, and I consider my computers my tools for work, and that is what my priority is. And the software that I use to run my business runs on Windows. The software I use to make my videos runs on OS 10. And that's enough for me. It really is. I don't have the time to be a computer enthusiast, if you will. I mean, I am, but I just don't have that kind of time. My time is a precious commodity, and I just can't invest any more time into learning Linux when it really doesn't have anything to offer me at this time. It doesn't run the software I want to use. And you know, I'm not opposed to paying for an operating system if it helps me do what I want to do, helps me make money. There's, various distributions of Linux, but I look at it more as a hobbyist or enthusiast type operating system, unless there are certain business applications that can take advantage of it. And I just closed a deal for a company that has 300 Linux servers, but they're in the internet business. I'm not sure exactly what they do, but it's all an internet-based company. Here, what I do, I'm into retail. And so everything I have runs on Windows. So I like Linux. I've played around with Ubuntu. I played around with Red Hat before and a few other distros. But ultimately for me, would be a hobby, and it's just something I don't have time for. And it's not my area really of expertise. And so that's it. Until Linux offers something of value for my business where I can make money from it, because that's what it's all about for me. Remember, I'm a business guy who enjoys technology. I'm not a technologist. I'm not a computer enthusiast. I'm here to make a buck. And I use these computers to do just that. And right now, Linux is not where it's at for, I'd say, a lot of small businesses. And yes, you can talk about open source software to the cows come home, but I don't want to run virtual machines. I don't want to run things like Wine and all that, just to save some money on an operating system. I happen to like Windows. I'm a Windows fan. I like it. I'm happy with it, and so is millions of other small businesses. And that's what I'm devoting my time and energy to, Windows and OS 10. As far as Linux is concerned, I find it interesting. I try to keep up to date on it. I follow it. Occasionally, I'll set up a VM with Linux on it. But it is not practical for me. Might be practical for you. Might be practical for another small business, but not for me at this time. Hopefully that answers your question. Take care.